Balanced vegan Buddha bowl. If I could eat one meal every day, it would be this super tasty, high protein vegan bowl. It's not just pretty, it is full of flavor and amazing texture. Today is just one of those days when I want a cozy, comforting meal, but one that is still healthy and balanced. So I'm gonna make one of my favorite balanced bowls. It's a Korean-inspired Buddha bowl made with sweet potatoes, marinated tempeh, kimchi, tahini sauce for healthy fat. It is so delicious and easy to make, perfect for meal prep, and it's gorgeous and it'll make you feel amazing. So let's get started, but before we do, take a second to hit the like button. The first step to make a Buddha bowl is to prepare all of the ingredients. I'm gonna start with the rice, which I like to cook in the Instant Pot because it makes the fluffiest rice and it's so easy. Next, we'll work on those sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes are gonna be delicious. I love them in this bowl. They're gonna be caramelized and tender, so tasty. So cut your sweet potatoes into evenly sized cubes before tossing them with a little bit of oil, salt, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Roast those potatoes in the oven at 375 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. While those sweet potatoes are roasting, you're gonna prepare the tempeh. So for the tempeh, we are gonna cut it up into small cubes. For the uninitiated, tempeh is simply soybean cake. It is fermented, it is tasty, it is meaty, it comes from Indonesia, it is super high in protein, and it's delicious. It takes on the flavor of whatever you marinate it in, just like tofu does, but it's meatier. I like tempeh even more, I think. To make the marinade, we're going to combine soy sauce, maple syrup, Korean gochujang paste, which is, oh my gosh, one of my favorite condiments in the world. It's this spicy, sort of sweet, very umami red pepper paste. So we're gonna add all that to make our marinade, stir it up, break up any chunks, and then we're gonna add the tempeh into the marinade, give it a stir, make sure it's all covered, and let it sit overnight, or at least for like 4 hours for the best flavor. Now it's actually ideal to marinate the tempeh the night before so that it soaks up all of that flavor from the marinade. Of course, this is the magic of television. I have already done this, so I have one that has been marinating all night long. So I'm just gonna transfer this to a skillet. We're gonna spread it evenly and roast it at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. That can go in the oven with the sweet potatoes while they roast. So while everything is doing its thing in the oven, we're gonna make our tahini sauce. This is gonna be the healthy fat that goes on top of the Buddha bowl. It is going to be so delicious. That sesame flavor is perfect with all of these Korean-inspired ingredients. So we're gonna combine tahini, lemon, garlic, and water. We're gonna stir it until it's smooth and creamy and add more water to thin it out if you would like. The full recipe for this Buddha bowl is on my blog, sweetpotatosoul.com. It's also linked down below in the description box. The base of our Buddha bowl is going to be fresh kale, so make sure you have your kale washed and prepped and chopped so that you can make this Buddha bowl quickly throughout the week. Now I've got all the ingredients for my Buddha bowl all done, all cooked, all laid out, and this is the perfect setup for bowls throughout the week. If you have all of these ingredients in your refrigerator, you can quickly make this Buddha bowl. You can even make other Buddha bowls with different sauces and different toppings so you can mix it up throughout the week so you don't feel like you're eating the same thing every day. To make our Buddha bowl, we're going to put some kale into a bowl and add some of the tahini dressing to it. Use your hands to massage it until the kale is tender and tasty and it's, smaller, reduced in size, almost like you're cooking it. Massaging kale not only makes it more palatable and tasty, but it also breaks down the cell wall so that you or your body can absorb more of the nutrients. Transfer your massaged kale to your serving bowl and then add the hot rice. Then add your sweet potatoes, the marinated tempeh, and top the bowl with some Korean kimchi. Make sure your kimchi is vegan. And then drizzle a generous helping of tahini sauce on top. I like to garnish mine with some black sesame seeds, which add more flavor, a little crunchy texture, and it makes it dramatically beautiful with the black speckles on top. I love it. Voila. Now you have the perfect, delicious, balanced, high protein, vegan Buddha bowl. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I hope you will give this recipe a try. I give it 5 stars. I've actually been making this exact recipe for years. I even have a old YouTube video from my Harlem days where I made this. So give it a try, let me know what you think, and let me know if you want to see more recipes for balanced vegan bowls. Just leave a comment in the comment section down below. This recipe will be on my blog, so you can find the link in the description. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.